Hello students, how are you? I am GP sir. Today I shall start the physical chemistry of class 12th NCERT syllabus for CBSE, ICSE and UP boards. The last lecture I told you about the types of the solution, but today the different examples of told you the types of the solutions. Here I will teach to you the types of solutions, on the basis of states of substances. Solutions may be three types, but its subdivisions also three types, so that with the on the basis of the solute and solvents, the states or the solutions are 9 types. Here types of solution, types of first serial number, types of solution, solute, solvent, common examples. First, gaseous solutions. In the gaseous solutions, on the basis of the solute and solvents, it may be divided in 3 subdivision. First, gas. In the solutions, if solute and solvent both are gaseous states, then this is called the solute in solvent solutions. Example, air. In the air, from the airs we take the oxygens. In the air have found 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen gas and 1% of the other gases are found in the airs. The second type of the gaseous solutions is liquid gas. The second type of the gaseous solutions is liquid gas. The example is chloroform mixed in nitrogen gases. Chloroform mixed in nitrogen gases. Chloroform in mixed nitrogen gas. The third type of the gaseous solutions is solid gas. Solid gas. In these types of the solutions, solute is solid and solvent is gases. Many examples, common examples found in this type of the solutions. First, camphor in nitrogen gas. Camphor in nitrogen gas. And other type of the common examples is smokes. Many types of the smokes. All these smokes are the examples of the solid gas solutions. The second type of the solutions is liquid solutions. Liquid solutions. Liquid solutions also have subdivisions of, also have three subdivisions. First, gas in liquid. Gas in liquid. In this type of the solutions, solute is gas and solvent is liquid. Many examples are found of this type of the solutions. Oxygen dissolved in water. Oxygen dissolved in water. And soft drinks, cold drinks, all type of the cold drinks are examples of the gas in liquid solutions. The next type of the liquid solutions is liquid in liquid. Liquid in liquid. In this type of the solutions, both are solute and solvent, both are the liquid states. This type of the solutions have many types of the examples. Here, ethanol dissolved in water is the most important solutions. Ethanol dissolved in water. It is the example of the liquid solutions. The third type of the liquid solutions is liquid in solid. Or solid in liquid. Solid in liquids. In this type of the solutions, the solute is solid and solvent is liquid. Many examples found in this type of the solutions: glucose dissolved in water, sucrose dissolved in water, salt dissolved in water. These types of the examples are solid in liquids. Here you can write glucose dissolved in water, or sucrose dissolved in water, and also salt dissolved in water. This is the third type of the liquid solutions of solid liquid solution. The third type of the solutions is solid solution. Solid solutions. It is also have three subdivisions. First, gas in solids. Gas in solid. In this type of the solution, solute is gas and solvent is solids. Many examples of found this type of the solutions. You can solutions of hydrogen in palladium. Solutions of hydrogen in palladium, and also foam. Foam is the examples of gas solid solutions. The second type of the solid solutions is liquid solid. Liquid solid. In this type of the solutions, solute is the liquid and solvent is the solid, are called the liquid solid solutions. The main examples of liquid solid solutions is amalgam of mercury in palladium, amalgam of mercury in palladium, and also the example fog is also the examples of the liquid solid solutions. Fog, the second examples. The third type of the solid solutions is solid solutions. In this type of the solution, the solute and solvent both are the solid states. The main examples of found in this type of the solutions, example है copper dissolved in gold, copper dissolved in gold, and many mixed metals are also this type of the examples of this type of the solutions. Here you can see the types of the solution firstly divided, and the subdivision is three types. Gaseous solutions. The means of the gaseous solutions is the all type of the solutions solvent is gas state. In the second type of the solutions, the solvent is second type of the liquid solutions. The solvent is the liquid states, and the solid solutions all the all the examples of solvent is solids. For in this type, this is the types of the solution. Today I will teach you about the expressing concentration of the solutions. The next topic I shall start today about the expressing concentration of solution. Expressing concentration of the solutions. The concentration of the solutions may be many types. The first is mass percentage. First is mass percentage. It is also denoted by the small w oblique capital W. The mass of percentage of a component of a solution is defined as the mass percentage of a component of a solutions is defined as mass percentage is equal to mass percentage is equal to the mass of the component upon total mass of the solution. Total mass of the solution multiply 100. Example as if we say that in a solution the 20% solution of the salt, 20% solution of the salt, so we say as in these solutions have found the 20 gram of the salt and 80 gram of the water, so that this is called to the 20% of the solution of mass percent in this solution is 20%. Here 20% of salt and water solutions have present 20 gram of salt in 80 gram of water. In this questions we find out the mass percentage is equal to mass of the component is 20 gram and total mass of the solutions 20 plus 80, because in these solutions I have found the solute and solvent. The solute is 20 gram and the solvent is 80 gram. So that mass percentage is equal to 20 upon 20 plus 80 is equal to 20 upon 100 multiply 100 is equal to 20%. And this type many numericals we solved with help of this formula. In this type of the next topic is volume percentage. Volume percentage it is defined as the volume percentage of a component of a solution. The volume percentage of a component of a solution defined as volume percentage is equal to volume percentage is equal to volume of component upon total volume of solutions multiply 100. For example, for examples, 70 or 40% of glucose and water solutions are 40% of ethanol and water solutions. In these questions, we can say that the 40 gram of ethanol presents in 60 gram in water. Then we solve these questions. Volume of components 40 ml and 60 ml. Volume of components is 40 ml. So here we can write volume percentage is equal to volume of component is 40 ml upon total volume of solution is 40 plus 60 multiply 100 is equal to 40 upon 100 multiply 100 is equal to 40%. For this type, many numericals we solved with the help of this formula. Thanks.